welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Style with P&J. Today we're going to be talking about how to style a vest, a colorful vest. This vest is from Zara. Yep, we need a pull vest. I'm going to style it in three several ways. I'm bringing to you guys some spring vibes and hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to subscribe, comment in the section below, and turn on your notification buttons. Thank you. Pants are from Zara. How you guys feeling this combo? Yep, putting on my orange earring. Yep. Are you guys liking it? It's so colorful. Whew. Loving these pants from Zara. Yep. Shoes from Christian Louboutin. This vest too is from Zara. We need to pull Zara if you're looking for it. The link is gonna be below. Looking all chic. You can either go for brunch with this. This is springtime and we are here for the colors. Your girl is bringing you guys the vibes. I'm telling you, so in love with this orange. So what else should we add to this outfit? Okay, hold on. This is like a monochromatic outfit, giving the looks orange vibes. Yep, I love this. Hair is from www.pnjlookscollection.com. Lashes from Moi, pnjlookscollection.com, and makeup done by Moi. Ready to go out. Yes, girls, you guys can style a vest and still look this good. Just look at me. Yep. So now we're gonna start this vest with some lemon green pants. Yep, lemon green pants. These pants are from Zara in a size large. Grown a little bit smaller or slimmer, if I should say. Let's see how we're gonna rock this lemon green pants. Stay tuned. Yep. How do you guys like it? Oh my god, this is some spring vibes. Looking all elegant. I'm in love with these pants. What do you guys think about this combo? It's really bright, especially for the Florida weather. Okay, let's switch up the earrings. These earrings are not heavy. They look bogus. They are very, very bougie, but they are not heavy. I promise you guys. Are you guys feeling this outfit? What do you think? How should we style the outfit? What kind of shoes do you think I should put on? Okay, this and this. But whichever, let's try and see which one you're gonna like. Okay. What do you guys think about this? What do you guys think about this combo? Oh, let's try these shoes. These shoes, I think they go with my earrings, so they may look better and more spring-like. So there's no harm trying. Very, very colorful. I think I'll personally go with these shoes. Yep. We're giving some spring vibes. I'm here today with the colors, so let me know if you have to style this vest, how you're gonna style it, or how you wanted me to style it. This is a 34-inch. If you want this hair, don't forget to contact me in the comment section below. Your girl got the hookup for everything. Yeah, and I forgot to mention this vest is a large. It's a little bit big on me, but it got to pass in, so I like it. So now we're gonna be bringing this third pants. This third pants is a size 12. I bought it when I really put on weight from Pretty Little Things. These pants from Pretty Little Things is giving, like it is giving. What do you guys think about this combo? Let me take off my earrings. And what do you guys think about this? The pants are a little bit large, but I think it's not bad. I love long pants, like really long, and the flourish on the ground gives a whole different look in your dressing, in your outlook. So let me put on some jewelry and let's see how this looks. Yep, I like the pants, loose pants. Boom. Maybe I should say this is my best combo. What do you guys think? Like, your baby girl is looking all dressed up. I'm so in love with spring colors. I love purple. But let's put on some shoes and let's see how this is gonna look like. Stay tuned. How do you guys like this? What do you think about this combo? Like, there's no other way a girl can style a vest, like especially a multicolor vest. You should always style it up with some colors. This is gonna make your outfit and your entire look different. Like, when you step into the room, girl, you're gonna own the place. And a lady should be able to own the presence of a place once she steps in. So put on Oh, okay. Feeling what I'm feeling, like okay. And this last outfit, we're gonna do it freestyle. Yep, freestyle. I'm gonna start this vest with like some baggy boyfriend destroy jeans, and let's see how it looks like. Nice white shirt. This actually looks good. Like, I didn't envisage that this outfit is gonna be the bomb. Every girl should have the destroy jeans. Yep, I'm saying it. It should be in your closet. So, just see this. Just see this. Guess what I found in my pocket? Yep. So, we're gonna pair these up maybe with like some orange shoes. What do you guys think? Yep. Stay tuned. Any girl could rock this outfit. You could wear it to brunch, for a date. I'm feeling this outfit. Personally, I was thinking that the purple outfit, but this is really bright, and I love the way the pants are on me. I bought the pants from American Eagle. Check them out. Their pants are really comfortable. Like most of my jeans, denim pants are from there. Shirt from H&M, and shoes from Christian Louboutin. Bam. And let's pair this up with a handbag or a clutch or whatever. Stay tuned. Yep, this is the complete look. Woo. Yep. So guys, thank you all for watching. Let me know which is the best way you enjoyed how I styled this vest. This is a vest from Zara again. Winnie the Pooh vest. It costs just like $49.99 or maybe cheaper. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe in the section below. Thank you guys.